Next, let's talk about Elastic File System. Elastic File System or EFS is a fully managed NFS file system and it is designed specifically for Linux workload. EFS is similar to EBS and it can scale up to petabyte of data. EFS can store the data across multiple availability zones so you get the durability by default. EFS provides two different storage classes, standard and infrequent access. And it also provides the configurable lifecycle rules to transition the data between different storage classes. Elastic File System is a scalable, managed network file system that provides shared file storage for Amazon EC2 instances and other compute services. It is designed to support a wide range of workloads from simple file sharing to complex data intensive applications. EFS can be accessed concurrently by thousands of Amazon EC2 instances across multiple availability zones within a region, providing high availability and durability. EFS automatically scale up and down in response to changes in the storage need. EFS provide built-in redundancy and replicates the data across multiple availability zones within a single region. EFS integrates with AWS identity and access management for fine-grained access control. EFS provides consistent low latency performance for file operations. EFS is fully managed by AWS and requires no infrastructure setup or maintenance. There are multiple use cases when you can use the EFS file system. EFS file system is commonly used when you want to share the common data to multiple servers.